Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be very exciting because I'm actually going to try out my new brush cleaner. This is an automatic makeup brush cleaner and dryer. So we're going to see if this works today. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. Okay, so I should have everything out of the box. It comes with a bowl, and then this is the actual device that's we're gonna attach our brushes to put them into the bowl to clean them and then dry them. It's gonna come with these attachments that you can actually take off different sizes to attach the brushes to there. So what this is called the Beautify Beauties. It just says makeup brush cleaner and dryer. You can get this on Amazon. Pretty much you can probably just Google it and it'll pop up on there. But I know it's on Amazon. So it says it clean and dries makeup brushes in seconds. So typically how I would clean my brushes is if I want to really deep clean them, I'm going to pretty much take the brush and I'm gonna have soap on one side and then conditioner on the other side. So I'm gonna put the soap and kind of do each brush by hand through the soap and through the conditioner. So it does take a lot of time. So hopefully we'll be able to cut that time more than half to clean our makeup brushes. This says professionals recommend you clean your makeup brushes every 2 to 4 weeks. Traditional cleaning methods are messy, laborious, and can leave brushes wet and unsuitable for 24 hours. That is correct because after I clean my brushes, I lay them all face down on like a towel and they don't really get dry until probably 2 more days because they air dry. So hopefully this dries them. And it says this device leaves brushes clean and dry, ready in just 30 seconds. So we are going to try this out today. I'm very excited. So it did come with instructions, so we're going to see what it tells us to do. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is pick which brush. I'm going to pick this brush I use for bronzer. This is just a traditional e.l.f. Flawless Face brush, but I like to do it for all over bronzer. So what you're going to do is you're going to try to see which of these fit this brush the best. And then you're gonna put it in there. You want it to be snug, it says, because you don't want it to you don't want it to fly off when you're trying to like clean it and brush it. So I have that on the brush, so now you know it's in there. It's gonna fit. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna attach it to the actual brush. So now, oh my god. So after you attach your thing to the brush and it's snug, like it's not coming off, you attach it to the actual device and there's this on switch, and it did come with battery, so that's nice. So there's a little on switch, and watch. That's going so fast. Okay, I'm very excited. So the next thing we're going to do is we need to fill this bowl with water, and it recommends a small amount of liquid soap. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to fill it with water and liquid soap, and I'll be right back. So now I have my bowl of liquid and water and soap. So what it recommends is you dunk it in there for 5 seconds. And then it says you can turn it on. That is so weird. It says to do it for 10 seconds, and then after 10 seconds, you gently lift up. Did it wash? Okay. we're gonna, I mean the water is dirty, so that's a good sign. I guess, it's dry. That's crazy. It is dry. So I wonder if, yeah, I feel water on it. It's so weird. So I guess it's clean. Okay then. And don't mind the like staining. Some of my brushes are permanently like stained. But, so we're gonna try another brush. Let me just take this off. Okay, so I'm gonna try this blush brush. And of course you can see the color tint to it showing that it's for blushes. So I'm going to put this on. And then I'm going to put it on here. And we're going to see if the color changes on here. So you dunk it for 5. I'm going to actually like time it this time. Okay. So I'm going to start the watch. So I dunk it for 5. And then spin it for 10. Spilling everywhere. Okay, and then I lift it up and do it for 10. Okay. So, I do feel like it's clean. Like, there's still a tint to the brushes, but if you look, like, I mean, it's clean. Like, that's crazy. Like, oh my gosh. So, what you could possibly do is you could, like, they say they recommend like every 2 to 4 weeks, but you could literally like maybe every like Sunday night just go your like brushes that you use literally every like day. You could just go through them and clean them real quick, and that way clean brushes make you have better application, and like dirty brushes can actually, you know, obviously irritate your skin. So oh my gosh, this is crazy. Okay, so I'm gonna go and I'm gonna do all my brushes, and then I'm gonna come back with the final like review. Okay, so I finished with the face brushes using the device, but the eye brushes really don't work well with it because the holes are too big that are in the little things that you attach the brushes with. So, and I tried to like put multiples in there, but it just didn't work. So I think I'm gonna do my eye brushes the normal way, I guess. So, but I feel like I should show you how I do that. So I'm gonna set the camera up to show you how I clean, well now, how I clean only my eye brushes. Now, I'm gonna show you how I clean my eye brushes. I used to clean all my brushes like this. I just have this like silicone, it sticks to your sink. That way you can just kind of rub your brushes like that, like this. So what I'm gonna do is I just add a little Dawn to it, and I'm gonna wet all my brushes. So I have all of them right here. And they all have different colors on them, so I'm just gonna wet them a little bit. And now I'm gonna take, like I have this one that's kind of dark, so I'm just gonna take it in the Dawn and I'm just gonna run it through this thing. So as you can see, now it's turning blue, which was the original color. So I used to do all my brushes like this, but now I just have to do my eye brushes, which is really great. So I rinsed it out and now it's back to its original blue color. And then like I said, all I do is I just sit them up on top of a towel and let them sit overnight.